Thank you for your watching. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel.